Do you think you need an investment to actually start a business? I'm going to tell you that you need zero investment to actually start a business. All you need is a strategy, an idea, and then that's it. You're good to go. A lot of business out there have actually started with zero investment and scaled from there. And I want you guys to understand one thing. You do not need an experience to actually start your own business. My name is Victor, I'm a chartered accountant and I help people with their personal finance. So click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Before you start a business, I want you to understand something. You are selling a value, not a product. A lot of businesses out there, they don't start by thinking, what business can I afford? They start by thinking of a solution that they can offer to customers out there and then in return get payment for it. So the money comes later. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve? Or what do I have that I can offer people as a solution? And then, of course, the money comes later because people will pay you to actually help them solve that problem that they have. If you don't have a product, that's fine. Start with a service. Starting with a service is a perfect way or a path to actually providing a service out there to people with no upfront cost. Now today I'm going to give you guys 5 business ideas you can start today with zero upfront cost. The first 3 business ideas I'm going to give you today is freelancing work. For example, you can start editing videos for people or businesses that need videos editing. You can even edit a CV for someone that doesn't have the time of the day to actually edit their own CV. You can run a marketing campaign. I might give you an example. You can pick up the phone, contact a potential customer or client for a specific business that you're working for, and then pass on the leads to the business, and then they'll pay you for your time. You can utilize platforms such as ChatGPT or Canva to actually boost up the quality of your work, and then you can utilize platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to actually market your services to the people out there that needs it. The next business idea is consulting or coaching. For example, if you're into fitness, you can actually start a fitness class where a lot of people will attend your class. It can be in person or online. And trust me, a lot of people will pay you for these services. You need to find something that you're really good at. It can be something so small, such as cooking. And then you can offer this to people. You can start a cooking lesson where people can either attend in person or online. And then you charge them for the service. And trust me, a lot of people will pay you for that. The next business idea you can start is drop shipping. So you can utilize platforms like Shopify that offers 3-day try for you to actually start doing drop shipping for free for the next 3 days, and then of course after that you would have to start paying. But you can start that initial 3 days and then utilize platforms like TikTok to actually market the products that you're drop shipping, and you utilize TikTok to actually drive traffic in and make sales out of it. The next one is print on demand merchandise. So you can use platforms like Printful to actually design a product and then sell it online with zero upfront cost. The last one is local service business. So you can start things like window cleaning, dog walking. Both does not cost you a thing to actually start with. That's zero upfront cost. Now, I'm going to give you guys 3 tools that you can utilize to actually launch your business. So the first one is Canva for marketing purposes, Google Workspace for admin and client forms. You can use Linktree for your landing page. You can use Stripe or PayPal for a free payment setup. Lastly, utilize Instagram, LinkedIn, or TikTok for client acquisition. Now you're probably thinking, Victor, how can I get my first client? Now I'm going to tell you how you can get your first few clients for free. One of the proven methods that works is cold DMs. So you can contact people through Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or email, letting them know the services or the products that you're offering. Before you approach these customers on LinkedIn, Facebook, or emailing them, remember, when you have these customers in mind, you already have a solution. So when you're approaching them, tell them the problem they're facing and then present them the solution that only you can offer to them. And trust me, a lot of people will buy. Tell people what you are offering and how that will benefit them, how it will help them resolve a current issue that they are facing. You can post your services or your products on social media, telling people what you're offering and the benefit they can gain from it. And trust me, a lot of people will either repost, especially if you have friends and family on Facebook and they're seeing the post you're making. A lot of them will just repost that, and then their friends and extended family members will see that as well, and then repost that to give you the exposure that you need. Now, my next point is, how do you build credibility with no experience? You can get people to write reviews online, reviews on your product directly, or the services that you're offering. And from there, if the reviews are good, it will attract more customers to your doorstep. If you have completed a project for a customer, you can ask for permission to actually use the project on your portfolio so you can actually show that to new prospects, new customers that are planning to take on your services. The next thing I want you guys to do is set up a business structure. So first thing first, create a separate bank account. Don't mix any sales that you sell or any revenue that you get with your own personal account. Trust me, it's not a good way to actually start a business. Track your income and expenses using free spreadsheet. Now, if you need help creating a spreadsheet that will help you track your income and expenses, please feel free to contact us in the comment box down below. Now, when you start to hit consistent income, then you can register as a sole trader or a limited liability company. And if you need help registering for one, please contact me and I'll be able to help you out with that. The last thing that I want to leave with you guys today is, when you start and then you start to make a bit of a profit, reinvest it, buy tools to actually help you scale the business. If you can, then specialize in one type of client, so one type of niche, and then charge more for higher profit. You can use free tools like Calendly for your bookings, or you can use MailChimp for free email marketing before you can actually move on to the paid plan. So remember, most business out there start small. A lot of them start in the bedroom, in a cafe, but they all start small. A lot of them do not have any upfront cost. So if you can solve a problem for people, then you're already a step ahead to starting your business. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.